Hello everybody, welcome to Toys and Funny Kids. Today I'm going to play with my Frozen picnic playset. I'm super excited about this picnic basket because Frozen is the most amazing movie ever, and I want all of my toys to have Frozen on them. My plates have Olaf and Elsa and Anna on them, and I've got some fake food here and some cups with snowflakes. And of course, some cakes and some chocolates, because we know how Anna loves her chocolate. I've got cups, and I've got some fruit to make my pies, more interesting. Now, this picnic basket has forks and knives and cups, and it already has some food. But I love, this is all of it here, but I love Play-Doh. I love Play-Doh. So I'm going to make some extra food for the picnic with my Play-Doh. You can play with any kind of food you want when you're having your Frozen picnic. But this is what I'm going to do with the toy. I'm going to use my pie here to make a Play-Doh pie. I collect a lot of Play-Doh and a lot of dough sets, so I have all kinds of pieces that I can mix and match. This is just regular pink Play-Doh, and we're gonna make some delicious pie for Olaf and for Anna and Kristoff and all of their friends to eat. Maybe we can even make something for Sven. Here we go. One delicious Play-Doh pie. And now with this one, I'm going to use a rolling pin that I have and a Play-Doh knife that I have to cut. Now, like I said, you can use any kind of food you want on your Frozen picnic. You can use pretend food, you can even use real food and just eat on your Elsa plate. But if you want to watch me have my Play-Doh picnic, we're going to make lots of different treats for the movie Frozen. Like this is going to be a really cool cake, and I'm picking kind of blue colors because I think that looks more like snow and like Elsa's magic. Cut. I'm going to make a lot of layers, and of course we have to have white because it looks like snow. And we completely cover the cake with the white snow frosting. Cut off the extra. And we have a cute little white cake for my Elsa plate. And I'm gonna make it cuter. This is a mold that I have just from some of my Play-Doh toys that makes different shapes. I wanted star shapes, and I'm not very good at cutting star shapes, so I'm using this, but you can use absolutely anything you want. Stars, stars, stars. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. I want it to look like Christmas and like Frozen. I love Frozen so much. I love Frozen toys. I have all of them. I collect as many as I can. Okay. And there is our Frozen star cake. You want to see what it looks like inside? Because remember, we layered it. I cut a slice. What do you think? I think it came out wonderful. Now, just using some sticks that I have, you can just use anything. I think I'm going to make some popsicles because I like to. Popsicles are really fun to make. just a circle on a stick. Very, very easy to do. And now I want to decorate them, just because I like to. Remember that when you're playing, it really doesn't matter what your food looks like. I just like to make mine decorated. I'm going to decorate some more. One very easy way to decorate Play-Doh food is to take a small piece of Play-Doh that you have rolled into a long, skinny shape, like a snake, and then just wrap it around, like I'm doing with this, oh, there we go, this lollipop. Now doesn't it look cool? I just want to make some delicious looking treats. Okay. I'm going to use white and wrap it around because white is just the perfect color for a Frozen toy. And finally, this one, I'm just going to put a little bit of blue on it and some sprinkles because they just are wonderful and everybody likes sprinkles. Sprinkles. And there they are. Those are the lollipops I thought that Elsa and Anna and Olaf would like. Now I'm going to use something else that I have that just, okay, I really like waffles. So I have this little play waffle iron that I can make Play-Doh waffles with. You can make any kind of food that you and your friends want to have. I just wanted to make waffles. And then I'll cut them with my cookie cutter. And then, because a plain waffle's kind of boring, I will cut some frosting to go with my waffles. Okay. Now those look delicious. What are some other foods that maybe we could take on this picnic? If you have any ideas for me to make next time I want to have a Frozen picnic, please leave me a comment and tell me what food I should make out of my Play-Doh. Alright, this one I'm going to cut. Because we are going to turn this into something really cool. Watch this. Watch what I'm going to make. I'm trying to go really fast so you can see everything. So we've sped the video up. Oh, you're going to be really excited when you see it. Okay. We're gonna roll it up. I've taken 2 colors of Play-Doh and put them together because when I roll them, it makes a yummy sweet. Look at that cake, isn't it cool? I'm really happy with the cake. Now I will cut it so that there's lots of pieces and everybody can have some. There we go. And they can go, these little sweets can go inside the jar. So we have the cake, some waffles and a pie, some lollipops, and my sweets. All right, I had an awesome time getting ready for my picnic in Arendelle. I had so much fun playing with my Disney Frozen picnic set. If you like Frozen toys or want to play with us some more, just click on the link to stay on our channel. Thanks. Bye-bye.